Ideally, you want everybody to get a little piece of everything in every bite. So I mix as I go just to make sure that it all gets incorporated and it's just a meat tornado. But yeah, so listen, definitely don't call this a chopped hoagie. That's not a real thing. It was a fad a year and a half ago, and it should have died before it even started. This has always been hoagie dip. It has never been anything different. No one really chops hoagies. If anybody did that, you were just kind of jocking off the TikTok bullshit. It was at every party, New Year's Eve, didn't matter. Any graduation party, any summer barbecue, somebody always made hoagie dip or we went and bought it from somewhere else. I think it came from, some delis in the city, like, a lot of places, they hate waste. I hate waste. If you look at my menu, a lot of things are interchangeable because I don't want something to go bad. I want to be able to use it. So if you don't like one sandwich, well, guess what? Another sandwich on my menu probably uses that meat in some form. That way I don't waste it. So I think this was kind of a way for delis to not have waste back in the day. Because, back in the 90s and early 2000s, everybody really wasn't that creative. You got Italian, turkey and cheese, and ham and cheese, right? But this was a way for them to not have waste and not have to throw like the ends of meat away. And that's the true reason why you were chopping it, because those ends get really thick and they're kind of uneven and they're ugly, so you can't use it for lunch meat. So the better way to do it than chop it up and kind of make a dip with it. And I think that's where that kind of came from. I'm no philosophizer.